Welcome to the session on the steel flow system. In this session, we will examine the intricate connection details essential for constructing robust steel flow systems. This topic is part of the Building Construction 3 course. The course and its illustrations are designed to enable architectural students and architects to clearly understand the forms and sizes associated with steel structures and to apply this knowledge in designing such components in their projects. So let's proceed further on the topic. In steel construction, a cleat connection refers to a type of joint where a steel plate, the cleat, is used to connect structural members, typically beams and columns. There are two main types, web cleat connections and flange cleat connections. Primarily used to transfer shear forces between connected members. Cleats are typically made of high-strength steel to ensure adequate load-carrying capacity. Cleat connections can be made using bolts, welds, or a combination of both, depending on the design requirements. A web cleat steel connection is a type of connection that uses an L-shaped steel plate, called a cleat, to connect the web of a beam to the flange of a column. The cleat is typically made of high-strength steel and is bolted or welded to the beam and column. Web cleat connections are used to transfer shear forces and bending moments between the beam and column. They are a simple and effective way to connect beams and columns, and they are often used in steel buildings. It is simple and economical for shear connections. The web cleat connection is a versatile connection type in steel construction, offering a balance of simplicity, effectiveness, and cost efficiency, particularly for shear force transfer and rotational capacity. Web cleat connections can be designed to accommodate various load conditions and structural requirements, making them adaptable to different building designs. The installation process for web cleats is relatively straightforward, which can lead to reduced construction time and labor costs. Web cleat steel connections are available in a range of sizes with plate widths between 1.5 inches and 4.9 inches, a depth between 1.5 inches and 4.9 inches, and an overall height between 2.5 inches and 10 inches. Plate thicknesses are commonly between 0.35 inches and 0.87 inches. Careful consideration of design parameters, such as cleat dimensions and fastener placement, is crucial for ensuring the optimal performance of web cleat connections in steel structures. Now we will see another connection, cleat, flange. A flange cleat connection is a type of structural steel connection that uses a metal plate, called a cleat, to connect two beams or columns together. The cleat is welded or bolted to the flanges of the beams or columns, and the beams or columns are then connected to each other by bolts or welds. Flange cleat connections are typically used in light to medium duty applications, such as warehouses, office buildings, and schools. Flange cleat connections offer several advantages, including ease of fabrication, installation, and inspection. They provide good load transfer capabilities and can accommodate some degree of misalignment during construction. However, proper design and detailing are essential to ensure adequate strength, stiffness, and ductility of the connection, particularly in regions prone to seismic activity. Flange cleat connections also offer flexibility in terms of on-site adjustments, allowing for minor modifications during assembly. Suggested dimensions and sizes are as, flange cleat steel connections are available in a range of sizes with plate widths between 1.5 inch and 4.9 inches, between the depths of 2.5 inches to 10 inches, and an overall height of 1.5 inch to 4.9 inch. Plate thicknesses are commonly between 0.35 inches and 0.87 inches. The selection of appropriate dimensions for flange cleat connections depends on factors such as the applied loads, member sizes, and structural requirements. Now we look over the end plate, an extended steel connection. An extended end plate steel connection is a type of moment connection that uses a steel plate welded to the end of a beam section to transfer forces between the beam and an adjacent member. The end plate extends beyond the beam flanges, allowing for the use of bolts other than between the flanges. Hinged steel angles are typically added for increased strength. Extended end plate connections are typically used in frames subject to heavy lateral loadings or near inflection points of gable frames. Extended end plate steel connections are a moment-resisting connection used in steel structures to join beams to columns. This connection type is characterized by a steel plate welded to the end of a beam that extends beyond the beam flanges, allowing for additional bolt placement. The plate extends above and below the beam flanges, providing space for additional bolts. Moment frames are frequently utilized in multi-story buildings, industrial structures, and bridges that necessitate substantial moment transfer. Extended end plate steel connections are available in a range of sizes with plate widths between 6.1 inches and 13 inches, depths of 4.1 inches to 12.2 inches, and an overall height of 9.7 inches to 26.1 inches. Plate thicknesses are commonly between 0.35 inch and 0.87 inch. The range of plate sizes and thicknesses indicates a versatile application in various industries. These dimensions allow for flexibility in design and construction. Cleat web connection type involves attaching a cleat, typically an angle section, to the web of the beam. Unlike cleat web connections, cleat flange connections involve attaching the cleat to the flange of the beam. These are particularly effective in providing lateral stability and can better support vertical forces compared to cleat web connections. The extended end plate connection type is characterized by the use of a plate that extends beyond the end of the beam, often bolted to the adjacent column, typically used in high seismic zones. Where the connection needs to withstand significant lateral forces, extended end plates are highly effective in creating a robust moment connection, making them suitable for critical load-bearing points in the structure. The choice between these connection types depends significantly on the specific requirements of the steel flow system, such as the expected loads, the need for moment resistance, and the overall design objectives.